Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I contour my face and how you can make your face look a little slimmer and chiseled and sharp and contoured. If you already have a slimmer face and a chiseled face, then there's no need to go for all that contouring unless you want to. But if you have a round face and you want your face to look a little bit more slimmer and chiseled, then please keep watching. So I already have my base done, and the product I'm going to use today for contouring is this Elegant Pro Conceal Contour Powder. This is in the shade Tan. The brush I'm going to use today, and I always use this brush for my contouring, and this one is the Oriflame Blush Brush. It's actually not a contour brush, but I still use it because it gets the job done. Now I'm going to take the product, and I'm going to start by putting excess product on my hairline, like on the outer edge right here. You can also do the fish face, like, and then you see the hollow, so you can follow that line. So what I do is I stop right here. I don't come anywhere near my mouth. I create an imaginary line from the outer corner of my eyes till my mouth. So here is the point where I stop. So this side already looks a little bit more chiseled and sharp than this side. I'm going to use a little bit more product than I normally use just for the sake of the video so that you can see it clearly. And it's always great if the product looks natural on your skin, if you don't have too much product on your skin. For rounder faces, don't create a C, try and create a straight line so that it gives a sharp look to the face. If you create a C, like if you go like this, like in this shape, it's only going to bring the apples of my cheeks forward, and this area is going to look a little bit more plumper, which I don't want. So again, start from the hairline, like right where your ears start, and then slowly blend it downwards, like inwards. Again, I'm taking extra product than I normally would just for the sake of the video so that you guys can see it clearly. Do you see how chiseled already my face looks? If you have a big forehead, something which I don't have, you can go over your forehead just like that to make your forehead look a little bit more smaller if you want to. I normally go around this area and join it like this. I already have a small forehead and don't want my forehead to look smaller, so I just go around this area and then join it. So this area and this area is a little bit broad, so I'll just put some contour powder over this to create a shadow and not to make it so prominent, just around the edges. However, if you don't have a broad area like I do, what you can do is you can just go beneath your face, behind the ears, and this will create a sharp contoured jaw. And just blend, because blending is the key. It does not look good if you have lines on your face, so just blend it. And now I'm going to take a bronzer. This one is from Body Shop, and now I'm going to bronze my face. This is going to help blend the contour and give it a more natural look. So just blend it real nice. We don't want any harsh lines on our face. Oh my gosh, all this while I had mascara on top of my eyes. Now for the blush, don't take any shimmer blush on the apples of your cheeks because it's only going to bring this area forward, which you don't want. You want it to be sharp and chiseled. So I'm going to take a matte blush, and this one is from the Body Shop. This is called Truffle. I'm going to take this blush, apply a little bit over here, and then blend it outwards. The blush looks beautiful. I love this blush. This is one of my favorites. Now the fun part, which is the highlighter, and I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and this is a wonderful, beautiful highlighter. So for the highlighter, I'm going to place it right over here. I don't want any shimmer to be shown on this area of mine, so that this area doesn't look prominent. I am going to place it just right here. So I'm not taking the fan brush today. I'm going to take a more precise brush and I'm going to place it carefully just right here where the light reflects. So we have reached the end of the tutorial and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, then you know what to do. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family and strangers. I don't know. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. It means the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. And I have tons of makeup tutorials and fun videos and talk to me videos like motivational videos and so much more. Please check out my other tutorials if you haven't already and hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.